Hi all, welcome to the Mystical Sciences. So as we are doing the meditation series, today we are going to do a very special meditation which will balance your chakras. Apart from balancing your chakras, it will also energize many things in your life like your health, your money, your relationships, removes all the negativity. So one such a special product which is there, that is called as the Gomati Chakra. So today we'll be doing the Gomati Chakra meditation. Gomati Chakra will be doing the Gomati Chakra meditation. Gomati Chakra is a rare seashell which is found in the sea and which is very powerful. It is also called as it also symbolizes the Sudarshana Chakra. And apart from that, with the help of Gomati Chakra, you can appease goddesses Lakshmi ji also. And the major benefits of Gomati Chakra are there are very many benefits which you have with the Gomati Chakra. With the help of Gomati Chakra, you can increase your wealth. With the help of Gomati Chakra, you can get prosperity, happiness in life. You can get good health in life. You can get peace of mind in life. All kind of happiness which is there, Gomati Chakra can give you all kinds of happiness. Removes the evil eye. Major thing is it wards away the evil eye. It protects your children also from all negativity. So it increases your spiritual life actually. It ensures that in the society you have a very good reputation. It increases your business. It increases your business growth, your concentration. So there are very many benefits which you have with with the Gomati Chakra. So Gomati Chakra can also balance all your chakras in your body. And one specific thing which you have to remember is this Gomati Chakra. Your meditation should be done on Wednesday and Friday, not all the days actually, because Wednesday and Friday is one such day which will give you very good benefit when you are using this Gomati Chakra. You need to take 7 Gomati Chakras because you have 7 chakras. So you need to take 7 Gomati Chakras in your palm actually, and place it like this. Chest generally, this should be open, and place it like this. Okay, and now what you have to do is you have to play a music actually. Music, you have to use a flute music, not other musics, because Gomati Chakra is related to Lord Krishna, Lakshmi ji, Lakshmi Devi. So flute is also connection of Lord Krishna and Lakshmi ji. Whatever the energies which has to increase, and apart from that, when you are doing this meditation, you will your money problems which are there will just go away. Your wealth will increase, your happiness will increase, your joy will increase, everything will increase. So now just body straight, inhale deeply, exhale deeply, inhale deeply, and now start your meditation music which you can check in online. You will be getting the music, any flute music. Just body straight. Inhale deeply. Close your palms. Just feel the energy of the Gomati Chakra entering from your palms to your shoulders to your mind, your body, energizing every chakra. With your closed eyes, observe the vibrations which you will be receiving from your palm. Now, the energy from the Gomati Chakra entering from your palms, the shoulder, your crown chakra, it is entering in your crown chakra. the energy from the palms. Close your eyes, observe the vibrations. Now slowly, concentration on the Agneya chakra. You need to place the palm. When you're placing the palm like this, first touch your Sahasrara and then your Agneya chakra. The warmth which is coming from the Gomti chakra will bless your Agneya chakra. Now the warmth blessing your throat chakra. Observe the warmth coming out of your palms from the Gomti chakra. Now, the beautiful warmth blessing your heart chakra. Receive the warmth, receive the energies from the Gomti chakra. Now, the beautiful warmth of the Gomti chakra. Place your palm on the solar plexus chakra. The beautiful warmth of the Gomti chakra. Now place it under your navel region, your Swadhisthana chakra. You should feel the warmth of your palm blessing your Swadhisthana chakra. Now the warmth from the Gomti chakra bless your Muladhara chakra. Now as all the chakras are being blessed by the Gomti chakra, now inhale deeply. Observe the vibrations of the Gomti chakra entering from your palms, your shoulders, now entering in your mind, relaxing your mind, removing all the negative energies, removing all the unwanted thoughts, removing all the negativity. Now as your body, mind, soul is energized, all your chakras are performing perfectly. The crown chakra, the Agneya chakra, the throat chakra, the heart chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the Swadhisthana chakra and the Muladhara chakra. Every chakra is performing perfectly alright. Now as all the chakras are performing well, your mind is calm, relaxed, your body is energized. Always live in a happy world. Always live in a peaceful world. Always live in a joyful world throughout your life. Now the Gomti chakra is blessing you with abundance of happiness, abundance of peace, abundance of wealth, abundance of protection, abundance of joy throughout your life. Now slowly slowly normalize, come back to the normal position. Inhale deeply and relax. So this is a very simple but very effective meditation. It is a Gomti Chakra meditation. This will give you lot of wealth, happiness in your life. To increase your wealth, to increase your happiness, to increase your joy, to increase your protection, for everything you can utilize this Gomti Chakra. You can just normally hold it and sit for 5 minutes. It will give you lot of benefit in you. So lot of positivity in you. So try utilizing this beautiful Gomti Chakra meditation, which is very powerful. So enjoy the benefits. Hope you like the Gomti Chakra meditation. Hope you like the video. Thank you all. Thank you.